In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Amazon gift card effectively. Whether you've received a physical gift card or an electronic one, it's a convenient way to shop on Amazon, and today we're walking through the process of redeeming and using it seamlessly. First, let's talk about finding that all-important claim code. If you've got a physical gift card, you'll need to locate this code on the back of the card. It's typically hidden under a scratch-off area, so grab a coin or something similar to gently reveal the code. For those with electronic gift cards, things are a bit more straightforward. The claim code is generally included in the email or text message you received, so a quick glance should suffice. Now, on to redeeming the gift card itself. If you're on the Amazon website, you'll want to navigate to Your Account and click on Gift Cards. From there, select Redeem a Gift Card, and you'll be prompted to enter the claim code you just unearthed. If you're using the Amazon app, it's just as simple. Head to your account section, tap on Gift Cards, and then Redeem a Gift Card. Enter the code, and you're nearly there. Once you've entered the code, the next step is to apply it to your account. On the screen that follows, click Apply to your balance. This is where the magic truly happens. The balance of your gift card is now successfully transferred to your Amazon account, ready to use. You're probably wondering how this works when making purchases. The great part is, once the balance is added, it will automatically apply to your very next eligible purchase. However, if you have something particular in mind that you want to use the gift card for, you can make sure it's applied by selecting Use a Gift Card during the checkout process. This gives you control, ensuring your gift card balance goes precisely where you want it to. But what if your order total exceeds your gift card balance? No worries, Amazon's got it covered. You can easily pay the remaining amount using another payment method of your choice. And there you have it. With this knowledge, you're all set to make the most out of your Amazon gift card. It's a fantastic way to shop seamlessly without the stress of traditional payment methods, making your online shopping experience smoother and even more enjoyable. Happy shopping!